Our next guest here on our live show founded a Christian-based worship arts education company with the goal of creating expression of the gospel through dance. Some of the company's talented dancers are here to share a performance. That's coming up a little later. First, let's meet the founder of the Rebirth Arts Dance Company, award-winning choreographer Rashida Perry. Good morning, Rashida.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am well.
Good. I was just asking you, this is the first TV appearance for this group.
It is. It's really a blessing for us to have this opportunity, so thank you for having us.
You're very welcome. So you are an award-winning choreographer. Tell us your background.
I have been dancing for over 30 years. I've been trained here in the city of Richmond, actually with the Rec and Parks program. Went on to found and lead a dance company, and so now we're here with Rebirth.
So let's talk about this whole idea of Rebirth and putting this group together. Where did this nugget of an idea come from that you wanted to do a dance company?
It was something that I always thought I would do, but then during a very difficult time in my own life, God began to speak to me and say that this was what He really wanted me to do. And so Rebirth really looks to take all of the arts in a way in which can be used to glorify God, which can be used to worship God. And so we do it with dance. We hope to do it with theater and music and art in the future.
So this is just the nugget of the beginning of what you're planning to do.
Yes.
So how did you put the dance company together? Where do your dancers come from?
They have a history with me, most of them, either with my church ministry or companies that I've been a part of previously. And so we did an audition. And so the result of that is who you'll see in a few moments.
So how would you describe the dance that your company does?
It is a mix of forms. It's ballet, it's modern, it's jazz. It's really a worship. It's really worship through movement.
So it's more than praise dance?
Yes.
Much more than that.
Yes.
So you do perform in the church and within the community as well?
Yes, we are available to do appearances. We are available to do workshops. We've done some intensive training with some other dance ministries that have had us come in and do choreography for them. So yes, we are a little bit all over the place.
It's always interesting to see how a group comes together. Because now, is this your entire dance troupe that you brought with us this morning?
We are only missing one member, only because she had a project at school this morning. So, but yes, this is the full company that you'll see, other than Cheyenne.
So other than dance, how does the group kind of grow together? What's the learning process? Because I know dance can be much more than just the movement of dance.
Yes, our group is really a family, and I think we pride ourselves on that. And so we're together a good bit, learning the technical side of dance, the technical movements and technical terms, but we're also together to help each other grow in our relationships and our walks with God. So that's also a good component of this team that you'll see.
Because you're also a training troupe. You do lessons and teach people about dance.
We do lessons, and we're actually launching a summer program that's for 6 weeks that is encompassing a lot of different forms of dance for ages 2 through adults. So we're looking forward to that this summer.
You mentioned that you came out of the City Parks and Rec Company. Is that program? Is that why it's so important to you to continue to teach?
Yes, teaching became something that I'd started with that program, and so it's just something that I can't let go. You know, it's one of those things that it's like I know that this is what I've been called to do, is to continue to train and to teach other dancers and well beyond just the group of Rebirth, but to take that to other teams within Virginia, around the world. So.
And I was listening and watching the rehearsal earlier. How much of a part does music play in forming the dances that you do?
It's a key component. You have to be connected to it. It has to be really your testament and your testimony and your walk with God that you're expressing through movement. So the music is very, very important and very key to a dancer being able to connect to it and be able to deliver that in a way that it's ministry to those who see it.
Continues to force that powerful message.
Yes.
Tell us about the performance we're going to see this morning.
What you'll see will be a selection called I Need You. It will feature the whole company, and it's really just a testament of a lot of the members of this company to really cry out to God, telling Him that we need Him in every aspect of our lives.
Well, we thank you so much for coming to see us today, and we look forward to the performance. Rashida Perry, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you.